Hello my friends, I'm Dr. Nitro and this is 8 Bomb Custom Workshop. And today I will testing some materials from NITORLAQ. As you see in my previous video, I have his lacquers, and today I will testing all these materials. Here I have a nice piece of maple, and in each part will be applied some lacquers or mix of these lacquers. This will be first part of experiment. And when you're not subscribed for this channel, then do this. Click the subscribing button, click the bell, leave your comments, and don't forget my Patreon. There you can find more materials about painting and relicking guitars. So see you on Patreon. And now let's go. Here in this place would be NITROLAQ gloss. In this place I will try to mix NITROLAQ normal gloss and NITROLAQ Relic gloss. 50% to 50% of these both lacquers. Here in this place I would apply the clear NITROLAQ Relic, and here in this place I would apply my hard 8 Bomb Custom Nitro. In this place comes primer. Here I will try transparent, and here I will try white primer with surf green color. In this place I will try primer, soft green and NITROLAQ Relic. And when all these materials will dry, I put this piece of maple to my mega vintage box, and we will see how these materials work with temperature and sunlight. Primer white. And here we have primer. So this will be Nitro Relic. And now 50-50. So I will apply several coats, 4 or 5 coats. Yeah, this deuce has very nice line. So guys, the dry time was about 12 hours, and as I can see, the NITROLAQUER Relic, it's already cracked. I don't know exactly this is good or not good, but we will see with time. Here NITROLAQUER norm and Relic 50-50 is not yet cracked. NITROLAQUER norm gloss little bit shrunk. This is good. 8 bomb hard nitro, it's gloss, primer, and here in this place I can see already cracks. Okay, we will see how it works with next operation. Now I will try to duplicate all my technology with intermediate sanding, and I will see how all these materials work with sanding paper and sanding sponge. So yeah, it's quite hard. This place a little bit soft, but not too soft. Okay. Yeah, the color is very soft, and it needs to be covered with lacquer. Okay, and now sanding with water. So in this time I will try sanding with these sanding pots. These pots I got from NITORLACK 400. This is 1200. This would be interesting. It works very well, very well. Okay. This pot can be used for sanding before the polishing, before the buffing, So I will apply a little bit more lacquers, 2 finish coats, and then I put this testing board to drying and to the sunlight. Okay. One coat of surf green. So now I let this testing board to dry, and we will see how it works a little bit later. So my friends, morning on the workshop, and another 12 hours left for drying this testing board with all these materials, and I can see now how work NITRO Relic lacquer. It's already cracked. In my opinion, this is not so good for using only this lacquer to finish coat or lacquering guitar. Maybe it can be used with 50-50 mix. So you can see and now I show you the cracks on the surf green color. It's not so big, but we will see the difference with a little bit later. So this testing board must dry couple of days, or I think 2 weeks. It's normal time for drying NITROLAQ. We will see the difference. So my friends, another day of drying, and as you can see, a part of Relic NITRO Relic lacquer is already cracked without any manipulation with freezing. Very nice cracks, but in my opinion it's too chaotic. "50-50 mix now is clear. Nitro gloss, it's clear too. My heart nitro clear. Primer was some trouble. I don't know why. I don't use any primers. Here the paint with some one thin layer extra with my hard nitro, and this is paint with NITRO Relic. It have already a little bit cracks, but not so much like lacquer without painting undercoat.